in these questions, we have 4 pieces of information. Alice and Peggy, the total sum $105.50. Then the ratio of Peggy's, the money that she spent as compared to Alice, is in the ratio of 2 to 3. And for the Peggy herself, the amount of money that left behind as compared to the amount of money that she spent, $9 more. For Alice, has half as much as money left behind as Peggy. Okay, now finally the question is, how much money Peggy have left behind? We go by bar model method. So Alice and Peggy. First of all, the amount of money that they spend in the ratio of 2 to 3. Peggy is 2, Alice is 3. So perhaps like this, 2 to 3. Am I right? Call them as X, 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 X. Second information is that for Peggy herself, the amount of money that left behind is $9 more than the amount of money that she spent. So that means this should have another 2x plus $9. So X, X, and $9, right? Then back to Peggy. She has half as much money left behind as Peggy. Now, this is the, we highlight a little bit. This is the amount of money that's spent. This is the amount of money that she left behind. So for Alice, as compared to Peggy, half of it. So for Peggy is 2x plus 9, right? So for half of it, it should be just x plus 4.5, am I right? So therefore, this one another x, then add half of the 9, which is 4.5. So this one inside is 4.5. So far, so good, the model. And then don't forget the total sum for all this here, we should have 105.5. So all together is 105.50. Am I right? Okay, so the calculation, I think obviously is that over here altogether we have 8x. I think that would be corresponding to 105.50 minus of 4.5 and 9 also, right? That will give us 92. This will give us 92. Now, ultimately, we need to find how much money that Peggy left behind. So in fact, we just need to find this add together. So 2x plus 9. So 2x plus 9, I think we just need to ask the a is divided by 4. Am I right? A is divided by 4. So this one divided by 4. Divided by 4, we should now have 2x. 92 divided by 4, we should have 23. Okay, final answer, we need to add the 9 also. So 2x plus 9, that will be our final answer. 23 plus 9 should be 32. Then don't forget, this one should add at the dollar side. 32, all right? Now, if you find this method is difficult to you, not suitable to you, perhaps I can offer one more approach, which is go by algebra. So let's restart everything. Here, perhaps we can draw a table for us to easy to visualize it. So we draw a quick table like this. I think downstairs we need one more row, one more row here. So again, Alice and Peggy. Then the spending, the amount of money that left behind, right? So remember that earlier we have the P to A, the spending is 2 to 3. So technically we call this as 2x, this is 3x, okay? And for Peggy, the money that she left behind, add the $9, 2x plus 9. And for Alice now, as compared to Peggy, is half of it. So 2x plus 9, then divided by 2. So far, okay? So this one total up 5x. This one total up should be 3 over 2 bracket 2x plus 9. And the total sum is 105.50. Am I right? So based on this, we can form the equation. Obviously, 5x plus 3 over 2 bracket 2x plus 9 equals to 105.50. Now you can see that now we have a fraction, right? 3 over 2. So we like to avoid the fraction. So obviously we can just multiply by 2. Am I right? 2 multiply by 2 to get rid of the denominator. Okay, so 2 divided by 2, 5x will become 10x. This one divided by 2, if we don't not so fast, then we just say 3 bracket first. 3x plus 9. Then times 2, this one will become 211. Okay. Now in future, if you can do a bit faster, then this one at the same time we can times in, so it becomes 6x plus 27. Am I right? Okay, so therefore 10x plus 6x of course is 16x. Meanwhile, we ask the 27 move over the other side, minus 27. Then this will give us 184. So bear in mind that the final answer is over here, 2x plus 9. So again, I think we just here divided by 2 will do. So divided by 8, by the way, one more time, divided by 8. So divided by 8, we should have 2x, 184 divided by 8 should end up 23. Once again, 2x plus 9, therefore final answer will be, at the dollar side, $32.